3, 2, 1. Ignition start. We have liftoff of an ILS Proton rocket from the Baikonur Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan with the Satmex 8 satellite on board. It can be a little difficult to see, but at about 10 seconds after liftoff, the rocket does a roll maneuver and will soon experience maximum dynamic pressure, also known as max Q, and is the maximum aerodynamic load on the vehicle. For Proton, it corresponds to about Mach 1.6 and occurs at 1 minute 2 seconds after liftoff. Everything seems to be proceeding nominally as the vehicle heads across the Cosmodrome vertically in a northern-easterly direction with a flight launch azimuth of approximately 6.13 degrees. So as we can see, it's a beautiful night out in Baikonur. We have clear skies and we can watch this rocket on its flight path.
You know, as the ILS Proton